Okay, so we got the bike, but then we did not get the insurance, so we'll try to get the rim repaired. So the wheel is still damaged. The manager here is quite helpful. He gave us a person, a contact, who can potentially repair the carbon fiber wheel, but then we have to go and check with him if the wheel is repairable. If it's repairable, nothing like that, we would save 2,08,000 literally. If not repairable, then the other suggestion is to change to M wheels. So if we change to M wheel, we have to change for both front and rear, which would cost us around 2.5 lakhs. That's the suggestion. And another suggestion is to get the M wheels for road and carbon fiber wheels for the track. If that person can repair this, nothing like that. Looks like he has a very good track record on repairing and manufacturing new carbon products for all kind of vehicles. So let's see. Okay, then I'll update once we go. Looks like it's in Nelmangala, so we'll keep you updated. Hey, so today we are going to RLZ Carbon. That's the place where they will try to fix the wheel. If it gets fixed, nothing like that, let them check. I wish they could fix it. If they fix it, we save 2.5 lakhs, because I think if they are not fixing it, then I think I'll go with M alloy wheels, and they would cost about 2.5 lakhs. If I go with the carbon wheel, as you know, it would cost 2 lakhs. Looks like they manufacture other carbon parts as well for the bike, so we can check that also, and they are a lot cheaper when compared to actual BMW carbon parts. Okay, so we see an error. That means we are losing air. That is not good. That is not good. That is definitely not good. Repeatedly getting this error, so I think we should check the tire. Tires looks good. So finally we got the bike wheel fixed. So RLZ Carbon people, they have done a good job. They have fixed the bike wheel and costed me about 25k. Yeah, ABS failure. I think I need to go to service center tomorrow. I feel the slushness in the brake. It's not as good as it used to be. Kudos to the RLZ people. They have done a good job, looks like. So once it is fixed, so two things we need to do tomorrow. One is we need to get the wheel balancing done, and other one is to go to the showroom and get these ABS things and all fixed. So it shows a lot of errors as of now. Let's get them fixed as well. Okay, so see you tomorrow then. Stay tuned, guys. Peace.